I've analyzed Elpis battle, so you don't have to. I've went over all the white paper, made a spreadsheet with the odds to actually recruit to see if whether or not it's worth it or not. I'll zoom in, I'll tell you everything that I found. So all you have to do is watch the video all the way until the end. This is the only Elpis battle video in English that you see. I've looked through it and I didn't find any. There's some good things and some bad things that you should know about, so make sure you watch the video all the way until the end. Slap the like button or I'll slap you. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to learn about the hottest, newest tokens and everything trading related and investing related, you can see that within the channel. So make sure you join the army, trying to hit 50k subscribers this month or maybe next one, who knows. Also, I'm sponsored by MEXC. It's the best place to buy altcoins. You can find it in the description down below. And let's talk about it. Let's talk about Elpis game, the Elpis battle stratosphere. First of all, there's a bunch of thoughts, a bunch of numbers based on whether or not you use two things to recreate the game. It's basically a game just like any other, like epic battles, like Epic Hero, like Zoo. Has a really cool sound effects when you click play the game. I couldn't play it on my computer for some reason. When I click play game, it does not load, but it did load for my iPads, so I tested it there. It didn't load on my phone either. I do not know why, but yeah. The next thing is that you can pretty much create these heroes in two ways. Either basically buy them, obviously, or use hero souls, which around $100 will calculate the odds for those live. And the next way to actually make them is via the recruitment, because it requires 2 EBAs. Not most games only require 1 of these and 2 max. So if you have 2 heroes with recruitment level 0, you pay 4,060 on other games. So this game will play 120, which makes everything very expensive. This is based on these calculations. By the way, there's a lot of typos. New hero created by recruitment will take 120 hours. This is double space. 2 can be used for battle or recruit. That's very unprofessional. If the developers are watching this, please fix this. I guess they're not native English, just like me, but I guess they can hire a copyright. Because there are a few things. First of all, this game is trending today. It just got a huge amount of volume. I do not know how. I guess a lot of people are playing it. I saw that there were a lot of videos created about it, but it just had an influx of volume, $200,000 in a day, which is high, obviously. So they basically have 2 currencies, EBA and another one that you use to farm, to mint the heroes, MEG. So based of that, what I've calculated and the chance appearance and minimum price levels, there's a 50% chance to get a common with a minimum price of 52, which can even be lower. I do not know if this is the correct price because this is for the Genesis War ones. I don't think it's from the summoned ones, the recruited ones. So we'll see. After fees, with the probability multiplying the price and the odds, the average price you get per mint after luck is not involved, after some deviation, would be around $64-ish, and after the market fee, which is 2.5%. The number of recruits, if you use 2 heroes that never recruited anything before, you'd end up spending $73 making recruitment not profitable. I want to see if summoning is profitable. So what we need to do is use these odds right here. Common 52%, 21%. So 52, 26, 12. This is the first thing we'll calculate. 52. 52%. So that's 0.52, 0.26 for the rares. Right, 26, 12, and 6, 12%, 0.6%, 0.3%, 0.1, 0.03, 0.01, and then you have, yeah, that's for mythics. So let's calculate that based on the minimum price. We'll probably end up having the same prices here for these, but we also need to find the price for mythics, which we'll go over right now. I think I'm missing something. Oh yeah, okay, the odds are a little bit better. That's good. So that's after the fees, 66 bucks. But now you have the odds to get a mythic, which should be pretty good. And the odds are not bad. Recruitment, the mythic. What is the price of a mythic? This is what we need to find out. So we'll go back to the website. Do I have it open? No, that's for another game. Elpis battle. Elpis. Marketplace. Heroic. It's not mythic, it's heroic. Let me change that in. Here, heroic. So we need to find the price of heroics right now, which should be about, if the marketplace loads, okay, here it is. Heroics minimum price would be 2,000 and something dollars, from what I can see. That we'll check in BNB, 2 grand. Yeah, so it's around 2 grand. We'll type in 2 grand right here. So if it's $2,000, let's see what the profit would be. This is after fees. And now we need to calculate the average price, which should be J90 to 25, okay, 20 to 25, 85 bucks. So you would be making about 85 bucks on average, but these souls that you can get these with basically make everything not worth it. Let me show you. Yeah, they're 100 bucks each. And so yeah, it's not worth it to breed them. I guess it's worth it to play the game. If you have any experience, if you think my calculations are wrong, you know something I do not, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'm definitely very interested. In general, I'm trying to look up every single play to earn game for you guys, so you learn about all these new games before anyone else. Let me focus like this. So if there's something cool that came out, I want you to know about it first before anyone else, because I want you to be as profitable as possible. Keep in mind that this video is no financial advice. It's just nada. You gotta do your own homework, just like I do. Spend hours, over 10 hours on some days, over 15 hours on other days to analyze these games. Obviously, if you watch the channel, you can get some shortcuts, but yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. See you next video. Bye.